Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AppSec's online sport program. I'm Asma from Army Public School, Atak, Kent. Students, I hope you all are fine and stay home. You asked me to solve question number 7 and 8 of exercise 1 day, so I'm going to deliver you a lecture on these two questions. Question number 7 is the force of repulsion F Newton between two particles is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the particles. Part 1 is write down a formula connecting F and D. Part 2 is when the particles are a certain distance apart, the force of repulsion is 20 Newton. Find the force when the distance is hard. First of all, we have to solve question number 7 part 1. According to the statement of question number 7, F is inversely proportional to D square. After removing proportionality sign, we have to insert equal and constant, which is K. F is equal to K over D square. Part 1 is F is inversely proportional to D. In part 1, he asked me what is the relation between F and D. So we have to answer it. F is inversely proportional to D. Now second part is when the particles are a certain distance apart, the force of repulsion is 20 Newton. Find the force when the distance is hard. Focus on the statement. You are left with only force, that is 20 Newton. You are not given D. So this is solved by this method. F is equal to 20 Newton and you have to suppose by your own self D is equal to 2. You can choose another value, any other value, that is D is equal to 3, D is equal to 4, D is equal to 1, but I choose D is equal to 2. So put in this equation F is equal to K over D square, force is 20 and distance is 2. After taking square of 2, we are left with 4. 20 is equal to K divided by 4. 4 into 20 is equal to K and that is K is equal to 80. The value of K is equal to 80. Now the statement asked us find the force when the distance is hard. We have to find the force when the distance is halved, means half of the given distance. We choose the distance is equal to 2, then its half is 1. If you choose distance is equal to 3, then its half is 1.5. If you choose distance is equal to 4, then its half is 2. So I choose distance is equal to 2 and its half is D is equal to 1. So we have to find F. So F is equal to question mark, D is equal to 1. Put in this equation. F is equal to K over D square. F is equal to 80 over 1 square. 1 square means 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So F is equal to 80. That's clear? Okay. Now question number 8 is for a fixed volume, the height h centimeter of a cone is inversely proportional to the square of the base radius r centimeter. Cone A has the base radius of 6 centimeter and the height of 5 centimeter. The base radius of cone B is 3 cm and the height of the cone C is 1.25 cm. If all the cones have the same volume, find. Part 1 is the height of the cone B and the part 2 is the base radius of cone C. Look at the figure. H is the height and R is the base radius. Both are in given centimeters. So first of all, we have to write the equation from the given statement, that is H is inversely proportional to base area. So I am going to represent height with H and our base area is R. So H is inversely proportional to R square. Cone A has base radius is equal to 6 cm and height is equal to 5 cm. Cone B has base radius 3 cm and height is equal to unknown, means question mark. Cone C has base radius is equal to question mark, means unknown, and the height is equal to 1.25 cm. According to given statement, H is inversely proportional to R square. After removing proportionality sign, we have to insert equal and K constant. H is equal to K divided by R square. First of all, we write the statement mathematically, that is cone A has height 5 cm and radius, means base radius 6 cm. So put in this equation 5 is equal to k over 6 square. 6 square means 6 into 6. The number is multiplied by itself. Square means 2 times. 2 times the number is multiplied by itself. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. So this implies that 5 is equal to k over 36. 5 into 36 is equal to k. So k is equal to 180. Now part 1 is H is unknown and radius is 3 cm. So put in this equation H is equal to k over R square. H is equal to, put the value of k 180 and radius 3. 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. H is equal to 180 over 9. After simplifying it, we get H is equal to 20 cm. Part 2 is cone C. H is equal to 1.25 cm and radius is unknown. Radius means base radius. H is equal to k divided by R square. Put the value of H is equal to 1.25 and put the value of k is equal to 180. After simplifying it, as you know that the number in the right side, in the number on the left side goes to the denominator and R square goes to the numerator of the left side. After simplifying it, we get R square is equal to 144. After removing R square, we get R is equal to 12 cm. Students, you have to know that how to remove square sign. You have to remove square by applying square root. Apply square root. Square root R square is equal to square root 144. Square root means I write in the right side, since square root of 144 is equal to square root of 12 into 12. Number itself multiplied by 2 times. 12 into 12 is equal to 144. So we can write 12 into 12 is equal to 12 square. The value of square root is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 will cancel each other and the power of 12 remains 1. So square root 144 is equal to 12 centimeter is given in question. Unit of radius is centimeter, so we have to write R is equal to 12 centimeter, not only 12. We have to write it with unit. R is equal to 12 centimeter. I hope you can understand all the questions, question number 7 and question number 2. Okay, thank you so much students. Allah Hafiz.